It's always growing in that garden, and it's green, and the water is there to water all these plants. We can also see a hint of seasons. This could be the autumn or the season of harvest. So this also relates to the cycles of life. And for now, there's so many more meanings, but for now, I want you to notice such things. I want you to notice the 4 elements, how often they exist, where do they come out. Notice the background of the card. The yellow stimulates the intellect. It's about new beginnings, new ideas, communication, expressing them. Trust yourself, have the ability. It's about fertility. Things will grow, whether a project or a child or wanting children. The mother is the nurturing, the wisdom on her head. You'll see the stars again so many times in the tarot. Very important for inspiration. Remember the figure 8. Work with spirit. Work when you are inspired, or to be inspired, always ask, meditate on something, tune in, see what information you get down, and that way you'll stay into alignment. So the Emperor card, you can see that he's older. He's got the white beard, so he's been through some experiences. He's more aware, more developed. He's got one hand holding the sign of authority, kinship,